Let me show you how to download the Blink app. So you're going to go to the App Store on the Apple, and I guess it's the Google Play Store on Android. Click the App Store, go to the search bar up top, type in Blink, hit search in the bottom right corner, and there it is right in the middle, Blink Home Monitor. So from there you would just hit, if you didn't have it already installed, you would hit the get button like this one right here, and then follow the prompts to download it. Then you're going to want to open it up and sign up for a Blink account. Show you what it looks like, the Blink app. You're going to see this in the other video, but there's my backyard wildlife cam. You can see right here, I'm going to need to change the battery soon. There's my front yard hummingbird cam, and then there's the driveway, the new camera we just put up.